Hi boys and girls. Right now we're going to be reviewing for our Unit 2 math test. Our objective says, I can answer questions about place value using what I have learned. So, in this video we're going to be using our math review packet for Unit 2. Be sure to have that with you and follow along. We're going to go through each question together. Make sure you're watching the video first, and then I will let you know when it's time to answer the question. Before you answer the question, you will pause the video. You will complete the question. When you're ready for the next question, you'll come back to play the video to do our review for that question. At any time, if you feel like you need to re-watch a part of the video, you can move through the video behind to re-watch something at any time. So this one is for the first question. We're reviewing standard form and word form. Please take out your word form paper from your white folder. If you don't have your word form paper in your white folder, pause the video now and go to the yellow table to pick up the word form paper. You will need this with you to help you with question number 1. Now that we have our word form paper with us, we're going to practice writing numbers. If we have this number 46, right now it's written in standard form. To write it in word form, let's practice saying the number 46. 46. One more time. 46. When we write the number, we're going to write it with those same words we used to say it. 46. Now, there's a 4 in the tens place. It's showing 40. So I'm going to find 40 on my word form paper and write 40. But 40 is not my number, it's 46. So now I have to write my ones. I have 6 ones. I'm going to find 6 on my word form paper and write 6. The number I have written is now 46. But we've been doing a lot of 3-digit numbers too. When we have 3-digit numbers, we're going to start with our hundreds. We have 2 hundreds. Now we're going to look at our word form paper and we're going to find our 100. That's going to help us write 100. I'm going to write 200. I have 46, 40. I have 4 tens, which is 40. So I find 40 on my word form paper and I write 40. 6 ones. I find 6 on my word form paper. 246. I now wrote the number in word form. Now you are going to complete question number 1. Number 1 says, I can match the standard form and word form of a number. The left side is a column, all of standard form numbers. On the right side, it shows numbers all in word form. Read all of the numbers to find which ones are the same number. Let's start with the first one in standard form. 405. There's no tens, so it's 405. I'm going to look at the word form numbers to see which reads 405. Well, I see this number, 405. It's the only word form with the 400. And it says 405. So it's the same number. So I'm going to draw a line to connect them. I'm matching the standard form with the word form. So you're going to pause this video here to complete the rest of question number 1. When you're done, play the video again to show me you're ready for question number 2. Now we're ready to move on to review 10 more, 10 less, 100 more, and 100 less. This is going to help us with questions 2 and 3. Let's review some vocabulary. We have more. If we have 6 cookies and we want more cookies. We want more. The amount is going to increase and get bigger. We're going to add more cookies. If we want less cookies, we have 6 cookies. The amount of cookies is going to get smaller. We have less cookies. So let's do an example. We're going to start with the number 536, and we're going to show 10 more, 10 less, 100 more, and 100 less. We're going to first start with our 100 tens and ones chart, and we want to draw out the number 536. I have 6 ones, 3 tens, and 5 hundreds. Now, if I want to find 10 more, remember, more means to add. My number is going to get bigger. 10 more, well, I'm going to look in my 10 spot, and I'm going to add a 10. That shows 10 more. Now, I no longer have 3 tens. I have 4 tens. So 10 more than 536 is 546. I have 4 tens. Ooh. Now we're going to do another one. We're going to start with 536. And now we're going to find 100 more. Now if we're finding 100 more, I'm adding 100. I no longer have 500s. I have 600s. So 100 more than 536 is 636. Now we're going to try 536 again. We start with our 100 tens and ones chart. We draw 536. Now it's telling us we're finding 10 less. Remember, less means our number's getting smaller. If we're finding 10 less, think about what place value is going to change. Not my ones, not my hundreds. 10 less, that's going to change my tens place. So I'm going to look at my tens, and to take away 10, to get 10 less, I need to cross out a 10. Now I no longer have 3 tens left. I have 2. So 10 less is 526. Now let's find 100 less than 536. I draw my 6 ones, 3 tens, and 500 to show 536. I want 100 less. Now I'm looking at my hundreds place. I'm to take 100 less. I'm crossing out 100. I'm taking away. I no longer have 500s. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to change the 500 to a 4. 100 less is 436. Notice that my tens don't change and my ones don't change because I'm only finding 100 less. So my hundreds place is the only one changing. So now you are going to look at pages 2 and 3 in your packet. You are going to be finding 10 more, 10 less, 100 more, and 100 less than each number shown. Make sure to use your 100 tens and ones chart on this packet to show your work. Show me 10 more, show me 10 less, show me 100 more, show me 100 less. Make sure I see your work. You also want to put your answer on that line to complete the sentence. Pause the video here to complete all 4 problems. We are moving on to review writing a number in standard form using tens. This is going to help us with question number 4. Remember, 10 tens equals 100. 100 is made up of 10 tens. How many tens make up 100? 10 tens. So let's look. We have all these tens. We don't know how many are here yet. We need to count them. I'm going to point and count them. I want you to point and count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 tens. How many tens? 20. Now remember, 10 tens equals 100. So now if I have 20 tens, I'm going to count 10 tens and find 100. Here are 10 tens. That means that's a 100. This is another 10 tens. I can make 2 hundreds, which means how many hundreds do I have? I have 2 hundreds. If I want to write this in standard form, let me move me. I write 200 because the value of 2 hundreds is 200. You are going to complete number 4 in your packet. It tells you in the first column the number of tens. The first example says 26 tens. You're going to draw, You're going to draw 26 tens in picture form using your base 10 blocks. Then circle the tens as you see in your packet to show groups of 100. Think about what the number is in standard form. You write standard form of that number in the final column. Pause the video now to complete the work.